crack me up, Caroline. You want to do anything else cute to crack up Mama? Oh, you're going to do that with your eyebrows? Nice tongue.